Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so we're gonna copy this link and over here.
Hold on. Not here. Not here. Not here. It's a
Okay.
error handling. Yes, it's a error and it should be in a different folder.
Where Python?
Yes, as you wish, but it should be in a different folder, not in a same project or folder.
Okay. Where should I keep it?
Can create a new folder there with the name of this
It's in
hackathon.
the. Okay. How do you want me to create here?
Just clone, git clone, it will automatically create this folder with your repo
Git
name.
and this one, right?
Yes.
Where is it?
Now go to this CD, here only
C
CD, space,
space.
data D, data engineering hackathon. Enter. Now code dot check it will work or not.
What?
Code CODE
Mm.
space dot E dot I dot and press enter. No, it will not work. Then you need to go to this air. Then you are able to find this folder. You click on this new file, new, and open a new folder here.
Where?
In this VS Code, you need
Okay.
to click on a file, new
Open.
window, open folder here.
Open folder. Oh, I need to copy the path.
Yes, yes. You need to go. Just click on that. It will open. It will open. Open.
And
Click on open. Click on open.
okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's here. Mm,
So let me tell you what we need to discuss in this. Okay.
mhm.
Because to start anything, you need to know the context of that thing. Right? What
Yes.
is that and why we require that? What is the use of that? You need to know that. Right?
Mhm.
And if we talk about data, and if we talk about, let's say, think about you are running a company, right?
Mhm.
And your data is can be stored on a multiple places. It can be stored in your CSV file, Excel file, database, am I right?
Yes.
Or your document file. The data can be stored on a multiple places, am I right?
Mm,
And if data is stored on a multiple places, and means data can have, you can say, missing value, am I right?
mm,
Wrong input, or you can say invalid data, or means wrong format, am I right?
mm,
Or you can say sash means this uh, alumni are there, and apart from that we have this species data is there, am I right?
mm,
So means if you think you have a lot of, you can say, piles of things, books or piles of things, and if you need to analyze the thing or do some thing in with that piles of thing, are you able to get some concrete thing or not with the
mm.
help of that
I,
pile
I, did,
of,
I didn't get the question. Can you tell me again?
let's say you have a books with you, am I
Yeah.
right?
Mm,
And each and every book have a contest and everything, and they will give you some meaningful information, right?
mm, mm,
But it's a pile of books, am I right?
mm,
And your boss want you need to come up with some books and give a conclusion, which one
mm,
is best, which one is not best, am I right?
mm,
Which one is related to story, which one is related to romance, whatever. I mean, right.
mm, mm.
So your boss said to you, hey, you need to do this. So with the pile of books, are you able to do that?
No, it's gonna be tough.
It's not gonna be tough. So same thing with the company. Am
Mm,
I right?
mm,
If they will have a data, but data is not in a right format. Am I right?
mm,
Or
mm,
data is not valid. Am I right?
mm, mm.
So then they are not able to whatever they want to data is duplicate. So based on that, everything is means reflect a wrong picture. Am I right?
Yes.
But businesses require right picture. Am I right?
Mm, mm,
So for that, we need to understand what are the terms used there. Am I right?
mm.
And why we use that. Am I right? And
Yes.
what is the rate, what is the raw data, and what is input, processing and output. What are the steps we can consider there? Am I right?
Yes.
So with this knowledge, you can, after learning this, you can implement same logic or same concept on another data as well. Am I right? But
Yeah.
basic foundation should be there.
Mm,
Okay, so that's why in this module we will discuss about these things. Okay, first we need to know what problem we are we are solving. Am I right?
mm,
So that's the objective of this module. So you need to understand. So this is a base. Based on that, we'll move forward. Okay.
mm.
So just go through this.
Okay. So, what is the hackathon problem? We're given 1,000 records of information. These records will suspicion records hidden anomalies. Our job is to take raw data, clean the data, find patterns, suggest better data quality, present the solution clearly. Okay. In real companies, data is really perfect. Company CRM system. What is CRM system?
CRM means this is a you can say content. So there is a you can say system with the help of that they will customer relationship management.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So where we have a user information and what they will purchase, what
I
they
guess
complained with their yes.
bank uses this type of thing, right?
Bank or who is dealing with this
Mm-hmm.
customer who will need to do that
Mm-hmm.
to resolve the queries of customer or problem what they were facing. Am I right?
Yep. Over here, age -5 email everything. If company uses dirty data directly reported, decision being wrong. Real life.
So you can think of right now this
Mm.
data age -5, which is
It's a
not
wrong
good.
data, right? Yeah.
Yes, and email is
Phone
also invalid. Am I right?
invalid. Phone number
And
is also
phone,
invalid.
yes. So if you use this data, means you cannot get a accurate result. Am I right?
Mm. Mm-hmm.
If you not get an accurate result, then your whole process is based on that. If you are going to plan something and you have a don't have a right means things with you, then your decision will become wrong. Am I right?
Mm. Mm.
Okay, go ahead.
Imagine organizing a college event, students. Okay. Some right.
So
Some.
here you are able to see means Rahul is same. Am I right? But
Mm.
some are using camel case, some are using this Pascal case, some are using uppercase.
Mm.
Okay. The data is you can say same. Rahul name is same, but they are writing a different case there. Am I right? So
Yeah.
someone can use a camel case. R is small and no one. We are not checking in a software shalware not take care of these cases. I mean, right?
Hmm.
Where cases, so based on that, if every is a duplicate data and you are you are calculating your income, but data is duplicate there, wrong entry two times, same entry two times, then it will give you a wrong
Hmm.
result. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, engineering concept, data quality and annual pipeline. Raw data, data understanding, data cleaning. What do you mean by data cleaning over here? We are fixing the datas, like missing values and those things.
No, whatever is you can say we are able to see it's not a useful data. If it's not a useful, why we are processing that?
Or for example,
Let's say right now email is invalid. Am I right?
yes,
If
yes.
it's invalid, how you can correct that?
So I
After
have
a
to,
yes, you need to filter that data.
remove that data, whole thing.
So data you will not gonna remove. You will not use that data in the next time.
Okay.
Understand my point?
Mm, let's say for this
That,
Rahul,
yes.
what
So
we're gonna.
go up, go up, go up. So here you are able to see this age minus 5. Uh,
Yes.
Am I right? You cannot change this age. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
If you will
Mm-hmm.
change, then it will means a problem. So if
Mm-hmm.
you don't have actual data and you are doing by your own. It is
Yes.
not right. Am I right?
Yep.
What you will do when you are abstract this, then you will apply this logic. Hey, if there is a this kind of pattern is there, then I will not entertain this data. I will entertain these data only. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And Rahul and these are same, but case is different. Then we will match the things, and based on that, we will take a decision. Hey, this Rahul we can go up, which is a without uppercase, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead. That's called data cleaning.
Okay. Pattern, annuality, model selection, business recommendation, dashboard, and presentation. Okay. And unreliable data into clean. After cleaning, we have checks, machine learning based anomaly detection.
We
Mm,
will move forward and discuss about this in detail.
okay. Data means recorded information. Okay. Why data is needed? Who are customers data? Dancing and data. Mm, okay. Data decisions are guesses. Okay. Wait, you can paste. Okay. Data is like a student attendance register. Who attended. Mm,
You
Soft.
understand the point?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what do you think? Data engineering is easy or hard after
Data
checking?
engineering. No, I guess it's gonna be hard in, like, if we go very deep, right?
No, it's a easy. If you can, you are in a, you can say you are right now in a nursery. Am I right? And if you are enjoying that, then in a future itself you will enjoy.
But I heard that, like, I saw some videos that they are saying data engineers, they need to like, build their skills every 2 years because it changes a lot, like the stack.
Yeah. Same with the programming as well.
Same thing as we are learning
Yes,
React, few days later, a new thing will come.
definitely, because new version are launched, and whatever you learn, you need to upgrade yourself. And
Mm.
now it's a you can say story of every field.
Mm.
Understand my point? And you need to prepare for that.
Okay.
That time has been gone. Okay, that time has gone. where you will say, hey, I will learn, I will done the BTech or this. Now I am a graduate. Oh, you need to learn every day.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to survive, you need to study.
Yes.
So it doesn't it should not be matter for you it's a data engineering or it's a software development or it's a designing. You
Hmm.
need to update yourself. Change is always there.
Yep.
Understand my point? That's why I told you you need to become an engineer, man.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, please.
In software engineering, data is usually stored in CSV files, Excel sheets, databases, APIs, logs, JSON files. Environment clean CSV dashboard. Mm, Python is gonna be there. What do you mean by that? Like,
Yes, Python because we will write a give a you can say instruction in
mm,
a language. Am I right?
yeah,
What we need to do? Which pattern is the right? Which pattern is wrong? Which is a validated data? Which is right data? Which is wrong data? How you will communicate with the system?
hmm,
You require some language. Am I
yeah,
right? So that's why we're using Python here. Panda library is there. Okay.
hmm. Okay, common mistakes. Thinking data means only numbers. Yeah, I think this thing. Data can be text, dates, categories, images, logs, etc. Raw data often has issues starting ML directly. Bad data creates. I didn't understand this one.
Study ML directly. Let's say you are influenced from under impression means AI can do everything. Am I right?
Mm,
And just you will give a data to the AI directly for
mm,
analysis. Am I right?
mm, mm.
But that data is not clean. Am I right?
Yeah.
So as I told you in a means starting of this our meeting, if you have a pile of books, are you able to get a meaningful information there?
No.
That's all. That data is already corrupted. Am I right? So
Mm.
you cannot get more information. So if you will just starting ML directly, no, you
So at
cannot do
first
that.
we have to clean the data, then we have to give it to ML, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Otherwise, you are training a kid on you can say things which he not need to understand or learn. Am I right? You are
Mhm.
providing a training on those things as well.
So I just have one question. So everything depends on the data. Like,
Yes, yes. Your development, everything is a data only.
but if the machine learning model is not good enough to understand my good data, then how will it be a good idea?
You need to then you understand this person is not right. Then you will either you will means instruct him to go for upskilling, or you will change that.
Hmm. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. What is raw data? Material management, cleaning. Okay. This data is not ready for analysis. Why? Because
But your
this.
format is different,
Mm,
and even though this Rahul at the rate gmail.com and Rahul dot at the rate is missing, invalid email is there. Am I right?
mm,
Value not there. Some cases is not there. Cases are not consistent. Okay,
mm,
like Delhi written in a three different cases. Uppercase, this lowercase. Am I right?
mm.
So these are problem.
Yep. Extra spaces, different spelling, missing field, missing data format, invalid email, mm, possibly anomaly. Okay.
Yes.
Real life knowledge. Raw data is like a raw vegetable from the market. Before similarly, before analyzing raw data must be cleaned. Okay. So I think there are some. I mean, places where we can easily clean the data, like bring this all this to same. Same lowercase, no spaces and everything. Do we?
Yes. So means right now as an engineer in a hackathon you need to do by yourself. Am I right?
Mm,
You need to showcase you know the thing and you can do that. Am I right?
mm,
And you need to write if you will. Otherwise, what is the purpose of this hackathon if you use the existing tool? But in an existing tool as well, you need to define means which one is right, which one is wrong data.
mm,
Am I right?
mm,
Otherwise, your tool cannot help you. You need to give a proper input to your tool, whatever you are means whatever you are going to use.
mm.
Understand my point?
Yes.
Even though we have a chat GPT and everything, until unless you will not give a right context or right information, it will not able to help you.
Mm,
Same thing with this tools. Even though tools are there, but you need to know how you can use those tools. Okay,
mm.
okay, go ahead, please.
Mm, it is correct. We inspect it, profile it, clean it, and only then apply anomaly detection. Okay. So why is what is there? The data that has quality problems. Mm, yeah. Age is wrong, email is wrong, amount is wrong. Only one, 150. Where is 50? This is okay. Types of data. Just say the data reports diagram predictions. They all get if sales data is duplicate transactions. Actual revenue. Okay, makes sense. Hmm. Imagine a hospital where patient file says unknown medicine bank is enabling a lot of money to wrong decisions. Hmm. Dirty data. Yes, these days, let's say I'm typing anything in my phone, okay, in Google. Let's say I need this type of shoe. So what happens is in YouTube that particular shoe ad starts to come. Then in Facebook that shoe is on
Auto
sale.
suggest, auto suggest.
What?
Or it's a auto suggestion.
Auto
It
suggestion.
suggests. Yes, it's
So isn't it Google, that browser is taking my data and giving those without my
yes,
consent?
yes. Even though in a smartphone they are tracking whatever you talk about, they are listening, and based on that, you are able to see the impact of your Facebook and thing. You are able to get the ad, you are able to get the information regarding that thing which you are talking about.
Yeah. So this is
Eh,
really alarming.
yes, even though they are tracking where you are living, where you are going,
Yeah.
data is everything. That's why if you become a data engineer, then everything is under your control. But Okay, now our target is different. Okay.
Yeah. Raw data validation, cleaning trusted data. Before using data, we must validate. Okay. So before using data, we have to go through these steps, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Mm, some outliers may be genius and uh, can be filled logically. Some outliers may be genuine anomalies. Mm, ignoring duplicate records, restored analysis.
Basically, if you don't know the data, how you need to clean, how which data you need to keep, which you need data you need not to be keep for, and what is the definition of validation? Am I right?
Mm,
What are the parameters will which you will decide is a good data or bad data? That should be there.
mm,
Am I right? Otherwise, it's not there. If you blindly remove or change the pattern, then it will mess up everything. It is
mm.
not good. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Mm, mm. What is data cleaning? Cleaning data gives reliable output. This is called garbage in. What is this? Okay.
Clean data is given reliable output. Bad data given bad output. If you give a bad data, then you will accept a bad thing. As Allah said, means if you do a good thing, then you will get a good thing only. Am I right?
Mm,
If you do a bad, then you will get a bad thing. Same thing with this data. If you will enter, you can say bad data, garbage in, then you will garbage out only. Am I right?
mm.
Whatever you will do based on that, you will get output.
Yeah. Okay. Before submitting college assignment, you check spelling, simulate and analyze data for analysis. Engineering in our project cleaning will happen in Python. Cleaning will happen in Python using pandas. But conceptually, cleaning means identifying design rule, safe clean output. Okay. So we're gonna use pandas, right?
Yeah, that's why in the second course we need to discuss about this only.
Okay.
Python
So
for data cleaning.
mm, okay. So um, identify issue design. Mm, we might not always fix the value. Sometimes we mark it as invalid. Why? Hello.
Yes, yes. So basically, sometimes we will not always fix the value because we don't know. Am I right? But
Mm,
maybe we require this for another use case
yeah.
or another
Mm,
analysis. So we will make it invalid. We will introduce one more field there. Am I right?
mm.
To make it invalid, that's also possible.
Because this is a wrong email, right?
Yes. So rather than modifying this or adding the at the rate, you will make it invalid. Maybe you need to point out the team, operation team or other team. Hey, why you left this? Am I right? This is
Mm,
how many data is valid, how many data is invalid. Based on this flag, you can get that result. Am I right?
mm.
If email status is valid, that means email is not valid. Format is not, you can say right there.
Yeah.
Go ahead, please.
Okay. What is data quality? Data quality is how data timely. Okay. Completeness, accuracy, value is correct. So formatting, validity, uniqueness, no duplication, time, data. Mm, timeliness.
Let's say you are feeling right now and you are able to enter the future date
Mm,
with your own.
yeah.
It's talking about your birthday and you are entering a future date or current date
Mm,
as your own.
yes.
Okay.
Yep. Mm, 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 trusted records. What is anomaly? Anomaly is something. Not transaction. One transaction. This is anomaly. Yep. Companies anomaly find fraud transactions. I guess all the banks use this anomaly detection, right, to find the
Yes,
unusual.
it can be used by anything, any system who want to
Mm,
make his system secure. Am I right?
mm,
Let's say in a normal system, if user is trying same API again and again, that
mm,
means, but the purpose of that API just confirm the things or about telling the you can say order. When you done the same thing, means when you done the order, everything is fine. Why you are attempting again and again? That means that person have a wrong attention. Am I right?
mm.
So with the help of that, you can understand fraud
Yes.
transaction, wrong entity, special user. Am I right? So these things are required. Okay.
Yeah. Score between 60 and 80, 100. Both are unusual. Different results. Okay. Mm, Error versus anomaly. Meaning, different, unusual, but maybe possible.
You understand what is difference between error and this?
Error
Non.
is something which is wrong. Anomaly
Yeah.
is something which can be possible, but is not like you
Unusual. It's
unusual.
unusual.
But it is possible, right?
Yes, yes, yes. It can be right as well.
Every
Okay, go
anomaly
ahead.
is an error. Some anomalies are valid but unusual. Therefore, our system does not blindly delete anomalies. It marks them with reason, score, and suggested action. This is a strong winning statement. Okay. What problem are we solving now? Data set. Customer transaction quality. It really contain around 1,000 records. Mm, What are these like?
So basically, data should be stored. Am I right? In a rows and column, in a table format. Am I right?
Mm,
So, and if is stored in a table, then definitely each and every record consider each row is considered a one record. Am I right? And
mm,
in a row we have a column. So they are saying this is a sample column. Whatever
mm,
data you have, these entries are there in that record or table data, like these. Okay, go to this Chrome and check the table, data table.
Prompt.
No, 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 Chrome, browser. Check a
Yeah.
data table, SQL table.
Over here.
No, no, on a new tab, SQL table,
SQL
L table.
table.
Yes, just check this.
This one.
Yes, so go down, down, please.
Yeah, my mouse is not working properly.
Go back. You don't need to do that. Just check some images there.
Where?
Go back, go back. Yes, just expand, show more. These are the table, am I right? So here, these are the column name like this as salary, as age, employee age. These are the column name. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
and they just mentioned these, whatever data we have, the data should have some structure. Am I right?
Hmm.
So that's why they mentioned that column name. Hope you understand.
Like
Go
customer
there.
ID, first name, last name. This is what you're talking about.
Yes.
Okay.
Record ID, those are there.
Hmm.
Go there and check our document. Yes, go. Yes. Now you understand what is the column.
Yeah.
And it should be unique. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
If it's a ID, it should be unique.
Yeah. Hmm.
If it's a duplicate, it's a unique ID, but it's a duplicate, it cannot be possible. Am I right? If it's supposed,
Yeah.
if it's there, this is a problem. You
Yes.
understand?
Yep. Hmm.
You need to understand this carefully.
Hmm. Hackathon data. May contain errors. Dirty data. Data clean data. Pattern normal remove frequent common viewers trends. Yep. Records.
Even though if you want to do some coding, first you need to make a plan. Am I right? Which
Hmm.
is valid data and which validation you need to apply.
Yes.
So same thing is with the data. This hackathon, data engineering. Am I right?
Hmm. Hmm.
To proceed with, first you need to know means how you will decide which is the right data, which is the wrong data. How you will clean that. Am I right?
Yes.
What is the definition of clean data? Are you for particular book? Go ahead, please.
We just need to remove bad records. We should blindly. We should not clean what cannot be fixed. Okay. Common mistakes. Starting Power BI first. Dashboard on Dirty data is useless. Starting ML first. On dirty data, okay. Deleting all this, you may lose your reading all anomalies, errors, and anomalies are not explaining anomaly. No hackathon winning angle. We used machine learning to detect anomalies. You should say we designed a complete data quality and pipeline first. Then we used rules outliers, isolation first for multi-column anomaly detection. Finally, we created the icon for every suspicious record.
You
Mm,
understand my point? This is a
Yep,
winning angle.
yep.
Most of the people understand with the help of AI they can do that. But
Mhm,
until unless you don't know the things, how you can do correctly?
Yep.
Okay.
Mm.
Now these are the assignment.
Before moving next to model, prepare this manually. Create tensor. Then mark each. Mm,
What
So
is the problem? What is the problem with that data?
I'm gonna mark them,
Yes, with a reason as well.
but I'm gonna create those data by myself.
Yes,
Okay.
you can take the help from AI, that's not an issue, but you need to identify the problem by your own.
Hmm. Okay. Model summary, data requirement, online division, covering raw data, final outcome. We are solving the data set context and what the function and final presentation. Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, what you understand from this? What is the conclusion of this module? It's open, your mind is opened up with this.
Yeah.
Okay. So, if you can want to continue with the next project architecture, today
Mm-hmm.
you can go ahead and complete that. Otherwise, we will connect next and discuss that. But you need to plan when we need to complete this, because as per this plan, we need to spend you can say 2.5 hours per day, right?
Yeah. Mm.
So they based on that, this plan is there.
Yes.
Okay. It,
I'm. Uh. Yep.
if you need to sit with me, that's also fine. If you want to do by your own, that's also fine. But
Mm.
things are clear to you. If things are not clear, then we are not able to win.
Mm.
Am I right?
Yes.
Let me stop the recording first.